Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to generate a clean, relevant and professionally styled images that fit perfectly with your blog content. We will also make sure that these visuals are optimized for landscape format, which is essential for blog headers and featured sections. With ChatGPT's built-in image generation tool, you don't need stock photos or design tools. You just need a well-structured prompt. So in this video we will see the standard prompt template and we will reuse that template to create the prompt, and we use that prompt in a ChatGPT and will generate the image for a blog post. Okay, so here is a standard prompt template that is specifically designed for a blog post that includes the landscape format. So here the landscape format means the image in a horizontal format. Okay, so create a clean, relevant landscape format image that visually represents a topic or idea using key elements. Style should be flat, modern, illustrated or elastic and suitable for a blog post header, article section or thumbnail. Let us understand these placeholders. Topic or idea. So topic or idea is basically a blog post about like remote work, personal growth, AI tools, etc. Key elements are meta posts. So here key elements are meta posts, basically the items that you want in the image. For example, laptop, copy, calm workspace, etc. Next, style. So style can be a flat design, modern, watercolor, 3D or minimalist. Next, the placement. The placement can be a blog post header, section image or thumbnail. So the placement is basically a place where you want to keep the image. Well, this is the standard prompt template. Next, let us customize this prompt template and create the prompt that generates the image for a blog post. For example, let us say you are writing a blog titled 5 Daily Habits to Improve Focus and Productivity. And here is the prompt that adapts this blog post title. Create a clean, relevant landscape format image that visually represents focus and productivity using person working at a tidy desk with checklist, a clock, a cup of coffee. Style should be a flat, modern and calming and suitable for blog post header. So if you can compare the placeholders with values over here. Topic or idea. The topic or idea in our case, focus and productivity. Key elements in our case, person working at a tidy desk with checklist, clock, cup of coffee. Style in our case, flat, modern and calming, and this is suitable for blog post header. Next, let us go ahead and run this prompt in the ChatGPT and let us see how ChatGPT will generate the landscape format image for this blog post. So let us head over to the ChatGPT over here, and here I am going to use the ChatGPT Plus, which is a paid version of ChatGPT and a bit faster. You can also use ChatGPT free version as well. So here just paste the prompt and submit this prompt, and let us wait for a couple of seconds. And there we go. ChatGPT has successfully generated a blog post image as per our prompt. And you can also review this image as per your requirement. For example, we want a person working at a tidy desk with a checklist, and you can see in the image the person is working with the checklist and a clock and a cup of coffee. You can see cup of coffee and the clock as well. Style should be flat, modern and calming, suitable for blog post header. So as per our requirement, the ChatGPT has successfully generated an image. Next, you can download the image and you can use this image in your blog post. Okay, and you can see here the image is looking awesome. Okay, so you don't need to use the Photoshop or any design tools. You can just use ChatGPT to generate any kind of image. Now it's your turn. Choose the blog post topic that you have written and use this prompt template and create the blog post image as per your requirement. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.